So I told the universe, like, what, a couple of weeks ago? I don't remember. Time just like folds in on itself. But remember I did a video and I was talking about how I want to journal more. I want to do that. And so I put that out in the universe, and the universe answered and was like, hello, hi Sylvia, and here you go. Well, technically, if the universe name was Amanda and the universe was from your creative studio, then the universe answered. So yay. So Amanda sent me this. Let's open it up, and it is from Your Creative Studio, and I will put links down below. So this is her monthly subscription box. I believe this is from May. Look how cute. I'm gonna ask her how she, is this like a stamp? I want a stamp like with my own logo, you know what I mean? That's cool. Okay, so here's everything that was in the subscription box. And let's take it out so we can see a little bit better. This has been really hard for me. Today is 5/31 and I got this on 5/28. And I have just been so busy at graduations and what have you. My niece graduated and she was valedictorian, so yay, valedictorian. However, she was also co-valedictorian, which I'd never heard of before. Also, her school, this is like all an unrelated note, but they had 3 salutatorians. So if you don't know what a salutatorian is, that is like the first loser, right? So it's the person who gets second place after valedictorian. And they had 3 of them. So I feel like it... I don't know. I don't know what to say about this. I feel like we just have to pick a winner, you know? Not everyone's allowed to win. Not everyone can be friends. And we just pick a winner. And that's all I have to say about that. So anyway, back to this. This looks so amazing. I am so excited to open all of this. Okay, so let's, I don't even know. Let's start with the washi tape. I just don't want to drop anything. This is really cute. I love it. I am always a fan of washi tape, especially when it's like geometric washi tape. Is that the word? I think it is. Oh, it's so pretty. Okay, let's put that right here, shall we? And I love me some skinny washi. This is like a 3mm, which I appreciate because that means it can fit into any planner that you have. So if you only have like a little bit of room in your planner, that'll fit in there nicely. And here's this. This is like a little bit of a thicker, or wider rather, washi tape. Oh, you can see it on the side. Okay. I love washi tape like this that looks like it's been watercolored. Oh, it's so pretty. Put that down. Yes, I love washi tape. Can never get enough. So, a necessity, washi tape, I think, for journaling anymore. You see it everywhere. And then we have these cute little boxes, and I love when people take the time and attention to package things so lovely. It makes me happy. Oh yes, this came off so I can reuse it. Do you guys do that also when you get happy mail? Do you like try to save the washi tape as well as the stamps for later on? I'm even going to save this paper. Oh, it's a stamp. So that would be nice collaging material. I wonder if this is like made this way or she cut it out of something. Okay. Stamp. Oh, it's the weather. Is that not cute? You can stamp it. Now you can either stamp all of it down at the bottom and then circle one, which is probably what you're supposed to do. That is so cool. I'm going to, of course, let me open these and then I will stamp that for you. Ooh, more washi tape. I hope I don't rip it. Don't rip it, Sylvia. Don't rip it. I'm scared. All right, we'll come on this side. Yes. Oh, that came off nice. Ooh, another stamp. Yes, I am. You know that I'm like the world's best stamper, right? And if you're new to my channel, then I'm being completely and utterly sarcastic. But I try. I do keep trying, y'all. That's so pretty. I love that. Okay. And then I'm going to guess that this is also a stamp, but maybe not. I love this. It's so cool. I'm also going to keep this because I always see people, oh, and look how sweet this little tag is. It's been like embossed also. Can you see that? So cute. But I see people hang like washi tape this or what have you into their journaling pages. So I am going to do that as well. Yes, it is another stamp. She tricked me. I didn't think I could feel the rubber on the bottom. Oh, I love this. And I love that I can use these also. That is so awesome. You get to save everything in here. Oh, this is really pretty. I was trying to read it, but it's a little too small for me. I don't want to put my head in front of the camera, but I will read it later, or I will write it on the screen so you can all see it. Or maybe when it's stamped out, you might be able to see it better as well. So pretty. Okay, so I got 3 stamps, 2 washies. Yay. Okay, let's also open this. Sorry. I love this washi tape. I'm all about the words, so I wonder where she got it from. Ooh, I don't want to rip this either because it's so pretty. Okay. Okay, look, she made a little envelope. That is so, people are so crafty. Y'all are. You guys are very crafty. So I think I'm going to try to, well, I don't know. I like this side also, but I was thinking about gluing this into a journaling page so I can open and close, open and close. But I like all the stamping on this side. I don't know what this is. Oops, I'm dropping things. Okay. It's a lovely charm. Oh, it says postage. I love you. That is so cute. Okay, I think this goes like that. Pull it through like that. Haha. And then you can clip it onto something. That is so cute. I love it. Although there was a circle thing, so maybe that was meant to go on there. I'll keep that in for later. I don't know, but that is cool. Okay. Now we have stickers. What is this stuff called? The word escapes me. I can't remember. Oh, look. I want to keep this sticker. You guys have to tell me that you also do this because it makes me happy when I know I'm not alone. Of course, I don't have anything to stick it on. Well, I'll just stick it on here. There we go. I want to say glassine. Is that like the wrong word? I will flash the word on the screen for what this is called, this little envelope, what it's made out of. But it's so cute. I love that people do things like this. Noted. Love that. Follow after. Oh, I like that. Oh, so these are just like little die cuts that you can, you know, run through my sticker maker and make into stickers. Oh, I love butterflies around the world. This is the vintage subscription box, by the way. Fun Day. That is so cute. So everything definitely looks very vintage. Okay. Over here we have some more. I don't know if these are... I don't know why this always makes me look so dumb. I have struggles, people, okay? Opening things. It's like a thing. Oh, so these are also like die cuts? No, I think that these might be the rub-on stickers. Or is that true? I don't know. Maybe they're just regular stickers. Okay, so these are like a regular sticker. They're a little bit transparent. And they just come on the little plastic already cut. Those are so cool. Oh, I love these. These are probably my favorite right now. Again, all vintage and beautiful. Okay, so I like little doll things. I don't know if that is shocking to people, but they can be kind of creepy, and I don't know. I had so many dolls as a kid. I'm not even kidding. And since I believed that these dolls were coming to life way before Chucky came around, okay? I used to like line up my dolls on my bed where I could see them, and I would go out into the hall and close the door, and I would slowly try to open them and catch them moving around. Is that weird? I did, I swear. It was like a thing. I believed they were moving around. Enjoy each day. I will. Thank you. These are so pretty. I love these stickers. Oh my gosh. Aww. Okay, so that was what was in here. Ooh. So, okay, these are the scratch stickers. They're sort of like the, I don't know, they're the MU brand stickers that I have, or the Tim Holtz stickers also, where you're just going to go ahead and put them in a corner and like scratch them, and then they will come off on the page. I love that. Oh, butterflies again. Makes me happy. So pretty. I like the bird cage. All right. Oh, and it shows you on the back how to. So you just cut out the one that you want. It's easiest that way. And then peel off the back, put it on wherever you want on the page, and then just, you know, scratch. You can use your finger, or I use a bone folder. Works very nicely. Very cool. I love these. I like any kind of font that looks like a typewriter. Okay, let me see. Yep. And haha, they're going to be transparent, which I love. I love stickers like that. I just had to make sure. So you get one in the large size, but altogether you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you get a set of 5 of these. And then in between they have things like today, happy day, payday. Very nice. I like these a lot. Amanda, you are doing this well. I like it. Okay, so mail order card. Oh, I love things like this because you can just put them down. Oh, great. I didn't even notice. But there's actually different ones, so they're not all the same. Oh, yes, I love that. Cool. So you get like maybe 3 different patterns. Yep. And then they just repeat. That is so awesome. Oh, I love this. So let me take them out so you can see them. I love, like, okay, let me show you just in case I don't get a chance to add this on later. But if you can cut it down and put it on here, it acts as a very nice like base for you to go ahead and start like layering stuff on when you're covering your planners or your journals the way that I love to. Or you can put them on the inside of here and decorate and write, you know, like right on them. So that is awesome. I like this one too. You can certainly put that one in here. And then add a picture and then some wordage. Loving those. And then we just have some bigger pieces here that you can cut up if you want to, or you can fit on or in a bigger journal rather. And I love stuff like this. Okay, so does this kind of creep you out? I don't know why. I get a little creeped out by stuff like this, and it is very vintage, but I like that. And what's so funny is if you turn it over, it's white on the back. So clearly these pictures have just been printed on the page, but I like how they age it for you. So they make it look like it's very vintage, even though it is probably, you know, like printed yesterday or whatever. I love that. That is very cool. Oh, and we have some vellum. Oh, I love this. So I always see people like cut vellum pretty small and hide words behind it. You know what I mean? Like they'll washi tape it to this and then you can lift it up and see underneath it. I enjoy that. I'm so lazy about doing things like that, but I'm not going to be because I have lovely things to do it with now. So yay. Another piece of lovely vellum. Look how pretty. Oh, I love that. This is very like thick, nice quality vellum. Ooh, and then we have some more cutouts here. This is always fun to use as a background to put pictures on and what have you. That is so cool. I love it. This one also, same. You can fit a picture here. I do have my Polaroid zip. I need to pull that out. Those would fit perfectly in here. This one is beautiful. I like anything that has words on it. It's my thing. This one's really cool because you could actually cut out the letters if you wanted to, or, you know, just divide it however you wish. More words. Oh, wait. Hold on, sorry. Yeah. Okay. So these are not, I thought they were going to be the same, but they're not. But they're so pretty. I love them. Oh my gosh, this is a really cool box. So here's the thing about subscription boxes. I have tried them out in the past. I've tried subscriptions for, you know, all kinds of things. I have like a million subscriptions to movies, what have you. Some subscriptions don't work out for me. Things like this do. And the reason is if I tried to put something like this together, you know, like if I went to Hobby Lobby or wherever and tried to pick out some stamps and some washi tape, there's something that happens in my brain. I'm not sure what it is, but I swear I will come back with all of the same color. Do you know what I mean? Like everything will be completely black or like completely purple. And it's not like these two things don't go together, but somehow when you like collage things, they do, if that makes sense. And all of the stuff I always purchase looks exactly like the same thing, and it doesn't look very like collagey all of the time. So I appreciate getting something like this where somebody has picked out things for me and I can just sit down and like, they're not really meant to go together, but they do somehow. Does that make any kind of sense? I don't even know. But I'm very excited about trying this out. And so if you would like somebody to pick a journaling kit or a journaling subscription box for you, I suggest checking out Amanda's website, which I will link down below. Now, note that her website is missing a U, and I figured I knew why, and I asked her, and she totally confirmed it. Basically, you know, sometimes when you go to try to get a domain or what have you, they're gone. That recently happened to me with my blog. I was trying to get Write Your Life because that's, you know, my social media has that across the board. And of course it was taken. So I ended up having to get like a weird spelling or hyphenated version in order to keep that name. So it is the correct spelling because I did ask, and I will link it down below. Okay, so I have other graduations to go to. I mean, the end of May and the beginning of June is just kind of hectic. But when I get back, I'm definitely going to be doing a, you know, like a journal with me and trying out all of these awesome things so that you guys can see how they look all together. It just depends because, you know, this is probably already getting pretty long, but let me go ahead and stamp these out before I forget because I almost did. You guys were like probably yelling, hey, weren't you going to stamp those, lady? And yes, I was. Let me find a blank sheet of paper because I'm always prepared. I really like this. This is really cute to put on the edge of anything you want. Okay. That is really pretty. Oh, I love that. Oh, look. I love that. Oh, and I didn't even notice that before. Right here, it says date. I will pull this up so that you can see it a little bit better. Is that not the most adorable thing ever? And then you can just like take a pen if you want to, and you can go ahead and say, today it was sunshiny, thank you. I love that. So cool. Okay. And then maybe I can read what this says. And that is how that one looks. So pretty. Okay. So I cannot, I swear, I'm getting blind in my old age, but I know what this says. I will flash it on the screen, and I believe it's from the movie, what's it called? Tomb Raider. Remember? I don't know if it's the first one or the second one, but I'm very sure that's what it's from. Yes, but this is beautiful, and I love that. These are lovely stamps, and you end up getting 3 in this box, which is flippin' amazing. And again, I'm like somebody who like only picks butterfly stamps. If you've been following me, you know that I have like a million butterfly stamps. And again, these are probably, maybe this one, but these are probably ones that I wouldn't pick on my own, but they are lovely. And so that's why I need somebody else to do this for me, because when it comes time for me to sit down and actually have some variety, I don't have any. I have like all butterfly stamps in all of like the same color of things. So I appreciate having somebody else choose things for me and then just, you know, use them. So thanks so much again to Amanda. If I do not add a journal with me to the end of this video, definitely be looking for that video, because when I do get some time, and I will have some time, I'm totally going to do this and it's going to be awesome. All right, so don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I hope that this was helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.